If you're seeing the server not found error in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get you back online fast. This is a common browser issue, and the good news is that it's usually caused by a network problem, a bad cache, or a proxy setting that needs to be adjusted. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, test the website in another browser. Open Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you have installed, and try loading the same site. If it works there, then the issue is likely with Firefox settings rather than the website itself. If it does not load in another browser either, then the problem may be with your internet connection, or the website could be temporarily down. Next, restart your router and computer. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. After that, restart your computer as well. This refreshes your internet connection and clears temporary network glitches that can cause Firefox to show the server not found message. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your recent cookies and cache data in Firefox. This is very important because outdated or corrupted browser data can prevent websites from loading properly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you tick the boxes for cookies and cache, and untick the other options if you only want to remove those items. Then click Clear. Once that is done, try the website again. If Firefox still shows the error, we'll go into the browser settings and check the proxy configuration. Click the menu icon in the top right corner of Firefox, then go to Firefox Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find the section for Connection and Software Security. In that area, click Advanced Settings. Next, scroll down to Proxy Settings and click Configure Proxy. This is where Firefox controls how it connects to the internet. Select No Proxy, then click OK to save the change. Using the wrong proxy setting can stop Firefox from connecting to websites correctly, so switching to No Proxy often fixes the server not found error right away. After that, close Firefox completely and open it again. Then try loading the website one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get Firefox working normally again. If the site still does not load, you may also want to check your internet connection, DNS settings, or temporarily disable any VPN or security software that could be blocking access. But for most users, clearing cache, restarting the network, and changing the proxy setting are the key fixes. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick solutions like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.